Love cuddling your furry friend but end up sneezing like crazy? Let's find out what's behind those pet allergies. Pet allergies are caused by proteins in animal dander, saliva, and even urine. It's not the fur. It's these proteins that trigger allergic reactions. Common symptoms include sneezing, runny nose, itchy or watery eyes, and even difficulty breathing for some people. To manage symptoms, clean regularly, use air purifiers, and limit pet access to your bedroom. Bathing your pet can also help reduce allergens. Over-the-counter antihistamines can provide relief, but for long-term management, talk to your doctor about allergy tests or immunotherapy. For more health tips, follow docus.ai.